Music is something that we all can't live without. Music is something that just make us smile and we're happy inside and out. This show is a show that's going to only focus on the music. The music she'll be highlighted. You know, songs from their inception all the way until they're played on the radio. All right, so just sit back and get ready for the journey of a lifetime. This is the Bus Music Show.
Hey, so Art of Love. I would say Art of Love is one of my inspirational songs. You know, my fans and my family and friends and producers, everybody say it's a great hit for real. So the reason why I say this is my inspirational song, this song really do motivates me because actually it's talking about things that was going on, you know, still things in there that's going on now. Yes, so the song actually done like 5 years ago, but it's still relevant. You understand? Okay, so first line of the song, Art of Love. Yes, that's really a part of me because you don't know my heart is full of love, clean heart, and this sort of thing. Right. So how this song make me feel now? Very good. Like the song make me feel very good. Inspired by the words, the lyrics, and how it put together. Actually, this song was re-recorded about 2 times. I did this song at Patriots Records. Big up yourself, Taff from Patriots Records. The thing is, I did this song at Patriots Records. This is my first cultural song, my first ever cultural song. Actually, I was assisted by Taff in 1 and 2, you know, because I the first culture song, so I never have like 100 idea how to put the song together. Yes, so yeah, big up to that. And then now, when I finish doing that song, it was on a rhythm at his recording studio. I did perform the song at different stage shows, and reaction was like, wow, fans then love it straight. Yeah. So the thing is, the song wasn't released, right? It was recorded on the rhythm, but it wasn't released. I don't know if you're doing a song and it's not released. Actually, not really make much of sense. So out there, anybody can try to take 1 and 2 line or take a song and say a film or whatever. You don't know things. So therefore, actually re-record it at Faithful Records, right? With a rhythm. I got that rhythm from overseas, a producer overseas, and I re-record the song on it because when I hear the rhythm, I hear the song, right? So I say, alright, we did the song and it was released here in Jamaica by Gold Liner Records. So you see how much thing that song they go through. Actually, my brother, before the song even released or anything, that was my Rasta Chain, big up yourself. He's one of my motivator. He say, Angel, a song ya, eat, this is not Angel, do them song ya. Cause you got it like that, do them song ya, man. And every day I would have come in at the house. When I know my brother come in, he was singing this. Art of Love, no need no war. Say, yeah, your brother come there. Yeah, that was his song. Art of Love still is right now. Yeah, so actually my way to the studio, I actually take a taxi to the studio. Yes, so the first time I recorded, I take taxi go to the studio. I wasn't living close to the studio, and the second time I did take a taxi. Well, when it was recorded, right, the one when I want for release. Yes, so my journey to the studio was nighttime, because in the nighttime you get a better vibes. It's school, less noise, less, everything. So it give you a better meditation. So I did the song in the night hours. About 2 a.m. or them hours. Yes. Most artists record Yes, so my studio time I did the song in like 2 a.m. Yes, I think 1, 2 a.m. Yeah, because don't know them hours there. It's mostly cool and calm, and you got a better meditation. The producer's reaction was wow, him loved the song from day one. You don't know. When I sing the song, you're going to get what I'm saying. Anyway, alright, the song played on a lot of sound system here in Jamaica and abroad. Come used to do road hard, I'm tell you, yeah. So I get a lot of played in Africa and all over America and everywhere. Because I have fans in a lot of different countries. Yeah. Yes, and Arts of Love was a premiere and Blacker Top 20 Countdown. Big up yourself, Daddy Red's my manager, you don't know. I love it so much. Big up yourself, always putting in the work. Yes, so it was premiered all over the Caribbean. Yes, and Blacker Top 20 Countdown, the big TV station. You don't know the baddest countdown. I did a video, a music video for Arts of Love. Was done in Ocherest and Kingston. Big up all of my supporters and my fans there. Yeah, you don't know, say people they love a song, yeah. Yes, and Arts of Love was played at Irie FM. Big up yourself, DJ Matrix, straight like that. You don't know him and dance it to the fullest. Endorse, I should say. And other DJs at RFM did play the song also, because the people they love it, say powerful, the words them connect and uplifting and everything. And so right now I'm gonna sing a song for you. Arts and Love no need no war. We need more love in our hearts. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I pick you up whenever you fall. Up and Johnny we have to call. Bolt and Fraser them run so fast. Determination say we have to work hard. Marcus Garvey I Calabar. Believe in yourself, you will reach far. Persevere, one day superstar. Give thanks to God no matter how we look small. In my heart I feel the pain. People are suffer blood that fall like rain. Nothing now go on, them a get insane. We need to love each other again. Talk the youths both one and all. Only 16, you not ready for fall. Education